Subscribe to JustHackIT.
Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to another video on JustHackIT. Today, in this video, I will be showing you a very cool project where I will be showing you how you can convert Raspberry Pi Pico into a USB Rubber Ducky. I hope you all know what is a USB Rubber Ducky. If you don't, no problem. USB Rubber Ducky is a powerful tool in cybersecurity field for automating keystrokes and payloads on a target computer. However, a traditional rubber ducky can be a bit pricey. So today in this video I will be using a Pico W, which is less costly compared to rubber ducky but will do the same job as rubber ducky does. So for initial setup we need to download few libraries. We need a library called CircuitPython. So basically it has two links, one for Pico W and another for Pico. So let's download, create a folder. So now we have downloaded. Now make sure you have your Pico board with you. Now just you need to connect to your setup, but make sure that you are connecting it by holding the boot button. Otherwise, if there are any scripts preloaded, it will be running. So just long press the boot button and connect it to your computer. You will see something like this appear. Now you need to just copy and paste the downloaded file. Just copy it. Okay. Just copy it from here and paste it here. It will automatically install and the device will automatically reboot and connect. But if you notice here the name is RPI RP2. Now when it will connect, it will be Circuit Pi. So this circuit.py will appear. Now you need to download one more bundle. For that I will be giving the link again in the description. From here choose this one, this bundle, click and download the full bundle. Now after extracting this zip file, okay, let's do this. We need to copy few folders and files. In circuit.py, open this library folder and copy file named as adafruit.debouncer.mpy. You can find it here. So you need to just go down, debouncer. See, just copy this one and come here and paste it. Okay, and next you need to find second file, that is adafruit_tricks. So just copy this one and paste it here. Now next we need to copy the folders. First one is async.io, this folder. You will find this here. No need to open or do anything, just find the async folder, copy and then come here and paste it. So you will find all this inside. Then next you need to find the folder named as adafruit_wsgi. Go for it, then copy and come here and paste. So we got two files and two folders. Next find this folder here, root hid, this one. Just do the same thing, copy here and paste it here. So inside library you will find this many files and folders. So now I will be providing another link for GitHub. Go there and download few more files. From here you need to download the wsgi server.py, webapp.py, duckinpython.py, code.py, boot.py. Basically download all the Python files. Copy all these files, copy and just paste it here. Now we are good to go. Okay, one more thing before adding the payload, you need to add a secrets.py file only if you have Pico W, okay, to configure the Wi-Fi. Secrets.py. Now open the secrets.py file. So here you need to write this code I will be giving in the description and just save it. So this basically allows the Pico to connect to Wi-Fi if needed. So you can download any payloads from this repository, or you can write your own. Okay, now let's just create a payload that will open Notepad and type a string. Okay, so before saving it, let me just explain what I did. So basically, I have added a delay because after you just plug in your Pico, I just gave it a time to settle down. So after it settles down, then we need to open our run window. So for that, I just use GUIR. Then again, I give it a delay. Then here string notepad means it will type notepad on that run dialog box. Then it will press enter. Then it will again wait for a second for the notepad to open up, and again it will type this one. They subscribe to JustHackIT. Now let's check if this actually works. Payload.dd. Also you need to mention this name, okay? Payload.dd. So it has just saved the payload, okay? You can check it here, this one. So now let's just check if it actually works. So I will just unplug it, then again plug it back in. So I just plugged it back in. Let's check. And that's it. You have transformed the Raspberry Pi Pico W into a functionable USB Rubber Ducky. Also make sure that these tricks are meant only for learning and experimenting. Do not use these tricks for any illegal purpose. Use it for educational purposes only. And a big thanks for helping me hit 700 plus subscriber on my YouTube channel. Also for building an awesome community on the Discord with over 100 members. Make sure to like, subscribe this video and let me know in comments if you have any questions or want to see more projects like this. Happy hacking!